Traditionally, furniture has been made of wood. With the Industrial Revolution, furniture manufactured from materials such as steel, aluminium, glass and plastic began to appear. These materials may have revolutionized the furniture industry, but wood is undeniably a staple material in furniture manufacturing. Not only is wood everlasting, but it is timeless as well. Whether it is an armoire in the family room or a chair in the dining room, wood furniture manufacturers managed to combine eternal beauty and robust practically along with a contemporary or country style. Combine a piece of wood furniture to furniture made from steel or glass, and the natural beauty of the wood will add warmth and character to any room. Wood furniture is extremely resilient and requires very little maintenance. Wood is long-lasting natural material that can stand constant abuse, whether it spills in the kitchen or scratches in the dining room. Solid wood furniture can last for generations with minimum care. Wood furniture is nearly effortless to maintain. Simply wipe the surface of the wood chair parts with a wood cleaner on a regular basis. Do not allow water or dust to settle on your table, chairs or armoires for extended periods. Adding a piece of wood furniture to a room will completely change its look and feel. Wood furniture offers elegance, charm and sophistication to any room. Although you might pay more to begin with for a piece of solid wood furniture, wood is more valuable than other materials used in furniture manufacturing. Wood's natural grain guarantees that each piece of furniture is unique. The initial cost of wood furniture may be higher than lower-end materials, but you will reap the benefits for years to come. Depending on your budget, you can select furniture that is manufactured using wood furniture parts in soft woods such as pine, or you can opt for furniture that is manufactured using harder, more exotic woods. The beauty of wood furniture is that it can be changed over time to give it a second, third or fourth life. By sanding and staining or painting, you can refinish wood furniture and give it an entirely new look. A friend's eldest son recently went off to college. Like a lot of young men, he immediately spent too much money on a new top-of-the-line television. He purchased a cheap stand for it online, but after only a few weeks, it began to wobble. When he returned home from a break, he asked his parents if they would mind parting with a low wooden bookcase from the family room. The bookcase had survived his entire childhood and adolescence and the pre-school years of his two younger sisters. It could certainly stand up to the weight of his new TV. It was several decades old, but the finish still looked pretty good, give or take a few scratches, and the bookcase could stand without sagging, leaning or wobbling. Thanks for watching, until next time.